quiet.
Nerdy-Berdy, what's up?
Can I spend the night?
Oh, did you wet the bed?
What? No.
Then why do you...
Can I just sleep over?
Sure, come on in. You haven't left this house in over 13 days.
So?
Get out!
We're friends.
Okay, let's go to your house to see what the problem is. Because you had the fridge door open all along.
When I'm dreaming, I dream of you, always walking through my point of view. And I can hold your hand, I see your face once in a while. I'd like to stay and chat like a ghost lost in the wild. Not a soul, 'cause you got no feeling anymore. Just a ghost lost in